David, I think you've been part of this Tina crowd, right? There's no alternative. Do you want to see this continue, the sort of rotation, maybe in an orderly pedestrian pace, nonetheless, maybe money coming out of bonds into stocks?
Yeah, absolutely, Charles. And you used the right word, orderly, right? It's all about the pace and the quickness of what this happens. If rates continue to steadily climb and investors choose to rotate into equities, that's fantastic. Look, it's simple supply and demand. That's great for capital markets. But I think bonds, to me, are dead. The interest rate story over the next decade seems to be going higher. That can bode very poorly for bond investors.
And David, on that note, have you made adjustments? Should our viewers be considering any adjustments in their portfolio based on maybe a 25, 27, maybe 28% corporate tax rate?
Yeah, if you're an income investor and you've got assets that are taxable investments, we've been using a little bit more real estate. We like apartment builders right now because you do get that pass-through depreciation for the dividend. But also for retirement accounts, those taxable IRA and 401k accounts, we are seeing significant moves from going out of taxable IRA accounts, converting it to Roths, where you do pay the taxes today, but for the rest of your life and the rest of your children's life, you don't pay any more tax on that money. So those are some of the changes we're making right now, Charles.
That's brilliant. Look into that, folks, the Roth IRA. Let me stick with you real quick, David. Next week, earnings season kicks in. Where are you focused?
Yeah, I'm watching financials to see if financials confirm what I feel about the overall economy, if the trend can continue for financials. I'm also looking for forward guidance for tech companies. I think the tech sell-off has been a little bit overblown. And if tech companies can give some strong guidance over the next year, I think investors are looking for growth, but they want to do it with quality and they want to do it with some security. So I think tech could be one of the big players, the big winners of the next 2 quarters.
All right, let's leave it there. Fantastic information, both of you. I really appreciate it. David, Catherine, thank you both very much. If you have